What's going on, guys? My name is Alex, and in today's video I'm going to show you exactly how I went from 0 to 100,000 followers on TikTok with a brand new account in less than 48 hours. If this sounds interesting to you, leave a like and subscribe, and let's get straight into the video. Whether you're trying to grow your social media presence or just scale your online business, TikTok is the fastest growing social media app, and there's none like it. The virality is insane, and anyone at any moment can blow up overnight. I'm going to go into my exact step-by-step process of how I went from 0 to 100,000 followers without even showing my face within 48 hours, and that includes a video that went to 2.1 million views. So stay tuned. Before we get into the video, make sure you leave a like and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow, and also comment down any more video ideas that you guys have for me. So with that being said, let's first take a look at my original account here. So this is my TikTok account, Alex the Affiliate. I created this account around December 12th, I believe, of 2020. And through then, I kind of grew pretty fast, right? So I'm at 140,000 followers on TikTok, and I kind of slowed down and tapered off. But I really use this to promote my online business and also help people scale and grow their own online business or just learn how to make money online. So right now, I'm scaling all the way to my very first video. This video was a test video. I posted this December 8th, 2020, but I didn't actually really want to utilize this video. I'm gonna just mute the audio there. So I just posted it just to get a feel for what TikTok was about. I didn't really use TikTok before. I kind of used it to kind of scroll through videos and stuff, but I've never actually uploaded a TikTok until that day. So if we scroll to the next video, this was when I really started to post videos and whatnot. So this was December 13th, 2020. So right here is my channel. So I give people a lot of facts on how to grow on TikTok and tips and guides. But people struggle with that, and they're like, well, you got lucky, or you're just doing what you're doing, so how can I grow without even showing my face, right? That's the biggest thing. People don't like to show their face. I personally don't care, but I understand how other people, their environment, they don't really want to show their face. So what I did 2 days ago is I started a brand new TikTok account that has nothing to do with this account whatsoever. A whole completely different niche without even showing my face. And this is the account right here, Love Hub Official. So I created a niche page, just posting facts, love facts, couples facts, kissing facts, and others, like sex facts and stuff like that. And as we see here, this video right here, and I'm signed into the account right now, this video right here has 2.1 million views. And I posted that, and then we're going to click on it here 2 days ago. 2 days ago. And before we even get into it, obviously I did not buy followers, viewers, or anything like that. This is 100% legit, and I'm gonna go into exactly why this works so well for me and how you can replicate this exact model and start seeing success. Make sure you stay to the end because I'm gonna show you how you can monetize this as well. But I'm gonna just pull up my calendar here. Right now it's 8:24 a.m. That's why I kind of look like this. First thing in the morning. It's March 11th. I posted my first video on this new account March 9th, about March 9th, right? And then with posting some free videos right here, and I'm going to show you exactly how I did this, 94.3 thousand followers. And again, this is my account. And I don't know if the analytics loaded up yet, but it's really simple, guys. This literally took me like no time. And as you can see here, 0 to 94,000 in the last 7 days. I have not had this account prior to that. So real simple, real easy. So let's get into exactly how I was able to achieve this. So it comes down to picking a niche. You have to start out by picking a niche, and I recommend, there's a ton of niches out there, but I recommend, the reason why this went so viral and the reason why this did so well is because there's 3 types of niches that normally do really well, and we could like to call these evergreen niches because these are niches that throughout history and throughout time people have always gravitated towards, right? So the first niche is wealth, right? Wealth and making money online. People always have a desire to make money online and improve their financial situation. The second one is kind of a two-parter, but it's health and fitness. So health as in keto, losing weight, increasing weight, like building muscle, and just overall health and dieting, and then / fitness, so working out, building your body. Those two kind of go together, so that's number 2. And last but not least, the one I decided to go with was relationships. So people always have a desire to improve their relationship, how to get into a relationship, the signs of a bad relationship. So I really just picked one of the 3 top niches I just listed. It happened to be love and relationships because I just wanted to go somewhere completely left field to show you how useful this is. And all I did, if we click on these videos about 15 to 20 seconds long, and I'm using royalty-free videos, and this is the video that went up, and I'm simply posting 3 to 4 facts on the video. That's it. 3 to 4 facts, by the way, that you can get on the internet for free. I'm also using a free video as well. So I didn't know if I didn't mention this before, but this is 100% free. You don't have to spend any money whatsoever to do this, right? Anyone at any age can do this. It's very simple, very easy. Boom. That was the video. That was it. I just got 2.1 million views on that. All right, or is it more now? Is it what is it? 2.1 million views. And as you can see, my notifications are always just constantly going. So this is a really easy process, guys. I promise you, it's not that hard. So what I did was I went to Pexels.com. Pexels.com gives you royalty-free photos and videos. And I literally went into videos, Pexels videos. I typed in, and you can see here, right here. This is one of the videos I literally used. I just typed in hugging. And then I screen recorded that video, because whenever you download a video straight from the internet, TikTok doesn't allow you to upload it straight up, at least on the mobile version. I haven't tried on my computer. I've been doing this all from my phone, by the way. And then just look up some quick facts, right? Let's say cuddling facts, right? I kind of make sure that you obviously have to make sure you're not just pulling some random fact off the internet. Make sure it's like legit. Healthline, I know, is pretty safe. I wouldn't go anything like lifehack.org. I'd probably use WebMD, something more more trusted. All right. Obviously, facts are facts, but you want to make sure you're using the right facts. Don't use just whatever you find on the internet. Make sure you trust the provider of the fact. So boom, I just kind of read a little bit. Boom, the half spoon is really nice, butt cheek to cheek is really nice. And I kind of give a quick fact. Boom, boom, boom. That's it. That's literally all I did. And then within 2 days, I did this process of 94.7 thousand followers. By the end of today, it's probably going to reach to 100,000 followers. And by the way, the last video I uploaded was a couple hours ago. Not a couple hours ago, a few hours ago, 11 hours ago. So 2 to 3 videos a day. For the sounds, I'm literally going to TikTok viral and picking from that selection, that 20 list selection of popular sounds, and just uploading it. That's it. That is it, guys. It's that simple. I promise you, it's that simple. I didn't do nothing crazy. I didn't go any, I didn't start, begging people, hey, can you follow this account? No, I literally did this, and within 24 hours, this video blew up, and then 48 hours in total, my whole entire account is at 94.7 thousand followers. So it's a really simple process. You go to Pexels, find royalty-free videos, record them for about 15 to 20 seconds. Don't make your videos longer than 30 seconds. Keep it short, sweet, and nice. Put some interesting facts, put some sounds behind it. Boom, bang, bang. There you go. That's it. That's it. Post multiple videos, and also read the comments of your videos and make sure you're answering questions. So I did not this one. So I did common lies men tell in relationships, right? And I looked in the comments, and a lot of people, and I think I replied to it. It's not going to show me on PC here, but maybe it might. So it says, where are the common lies women tell in relationships? And I answered that question, and I made a completely new video on how common lies women tell in relationships. But that's it, guys. That's literally it. This is not going to be a long video. It's real short. But like I promised, I'm going to show you how you can monetize this actually. So yeah, stay to the end, and also leave a like if you haven't already. I just gave you some really interesting information. So let's get into exactly how you can monetize this. All right, so you took my advice and you created the niche page, and you're getting a lot of followers, but you want to start making money. So how can you do this? Pretty simple. So let's take a look at my account again before I show you how. So clearly I post content that is geared towards relationships and couples, right? A lot of sex, couples, and just all the cuddling facts. Generally speaking, if someone's engaging with this content, they have a significant other or someone they potentially want to be in a relationship with and want to do that stuff with. I've actually had a few of these videos where I'm like, tag your significant other, and a lot of them, a lot of comments are just tags of other people. So clearly it's couple related stuff. So what you can do is you can do affiliate marketing with this, and I've talked about this multiple times on my account. You can sign up for ClickBank, where you can promote other people's products and services and earn a commission for each sale. So now that you have this huge gravitation of people that are engaging with your content, you can sign up for ClickBank. It's 100% free. Once you sign up, you're going to go to this is your dashboard. Then you're going to go to the marketplace, and you're going to see here that you have a large selection of categories to pick from, and each category has different products, different services that you can partner with, sign up with, and get an affiliate link with. And once you utilize that affiliate link and share with other people, if they decide to click on that link and also make a purchase, you'll earn a percentage of whatever the product or services you're selling. So to put that in in reference here, since I'm doing couples and relationships, I'm gonna go into the I'd probably go into the let's see here. It wouldn't be self-help, would it? Let's see. Yeah, so it would be self-help. So we go to self-help, and we see here dating guides, marriage and relationships, motivational, transformational. We have a whole bunch of different things. I'm going to go in the dating guide section. And once you're in the dating guide section, you can see here there's a lot of things that you can select from. I'm going to go with Gravity because this kind of does a good little search and kind of narrows down the kind of content that's doing really well and selling pretty nicely. So the obsession method, a huge new men's dating offer. Okay, so that sounds interesting. New high converting for women's lists. Okay, so it seems like hook to stand out from the crowd. Okay, so that's to attract women, I believe. Devotion system, make men obsess over you. Okay, that's, you know, about $51 per conversion. That's interesting. Unlock the scrambler, get whitelisted for up to 100% commission. Okay. Irresistible text, women's dating offer. So these are basically different products that other companies are allowing you to actually sign up with them, partner with them, and promote their product with them, and you'll get a percentage of that. So let's take a look at this one. New high converting for women's list. So let's just click on it first to see what it is. So this is what it will bring us to. It seems like the video reveals why so many men are resistant to commitment, to the surprising reasons men choosing certain women while rejecting others, how to make one man absolutely sure you're the one for him. So this is going to be a guide dedicated to helping women get into better relationships with men and whatnot. So let's say I wanted to go along with this, right? I'd probably do a little bit more research than I just did. But let's say I did the research and want to go with this. I hit promote here, type my name in right here, and as you can see at the top, it says 75% commission will be earned. So that's $93 per commission. We hit generate hop link, and just like that, now I have this link. And guess what? I'm gonna put this link in my TikTok bio, and at the end of my videos, after giving some facts, I'm gonna say, hey, if you're interested in learning how you can attract more men, boom, check the first link in my bio. That's it. That's it. Give the same exact facts, give the exact same kind of content, but at the end, just throw a little, hey, more info in my bio on how you can attract more men, or, you know, yada, yada, yada. Because the people that I've noticed, right, and you can check your analytics too. My analytics, because again, I did this in 48 hours. My analytics haven't really showed up yet, but I can probably assume most of my watchers are female, right? Let's see. Yeah, so it hasn't been able to be updated yet because, again, I just did this in less than about 48 hours. So when this is updated, I'll see what gender is generally watching my content, and then I'll kind of gear my ClickBank offer towards that. And that's how you monetize that, right? So not only and also if TikTok Creator Fund is also available in your country, you could also do that as well. But this is how you really can monetize and make some serious money. But yeah, I hope that video helps you guys understand how to grow on TikTok. It really isn't that hard, guys. It really isn't. You just got to know the type of content people are wanting to see. But yeah, leave a like and subscribe. Comment down below if you have any questions, and I'll see you guys all next time. Take care.